I'm so excited that you decided to get this amazing magnetic liner and lashes. First step, make sure you take off the excess of the liner brush. Second step, apply liner along the lash line. Make sure to apply a double layer. The thicker, the better. Let it dry for 3 minutes. Third and last step, remove lashes from their magnetic case and apply them along the lash line. The magnets on the lashes will get attracted instantly by the ones on the liner. Just make sure you get it right on the corners. Ta-da! You have lashes with no hassle.